I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Well, I got everything put up. I even set out my new sponge for the shower. So I come in, well, I'll talk to you about it in a minute, but I'm just showing, yes, the toilet was running. I just went wee-wee. And then I got this all put away. I got my laundry done. I don't want to keep the pillows on the bed because Sammy will chew them. I've been having to use my lotion, this butter lately. My hands are just like they catch on everything they rub, those little bitty fine. It's so dry, these little fine little pieces of skin stick up and they snag. So that's some good stuff. Got my table. I'm going to read my email later. Got that straightened up. I made my creamies this morning. I made 7 of them, so that's good to go. And I ain't showing you my spare room because it's a hot mess. But anyway, this is what we're having. I'll talk to you about it in a minute. So I got coffee and steak. And hang on just a second. All right, it is time for a post-vacation reset. Oh, my stars and garters. I ate so much and I drank much. I drank like one alcoholic drink. And other than that, I drank my stuff. I didn't drink sugar or anything. But I did have like a quarter of a key lime pie. What night was that? I'm looking for my hand lotion. What night was that? I guess today's Monday. No, today's Tuesday. Anyway, the other day we all had a quarter of a key lime pie. And, had a fun time. It was a lot of people, a lot of peopling for me. You know, I'm not so into the whole people thing. But it was fun, and I'm very thankful that I was able to be with my family. Thankful that my sisters are the type that likes to plan things, and they don't mind me being the sandbagger of the family, because I think if I had my strong opinions about things, we might butt heads. But anyway, so today is about just resetting everything. So as I put things away, like I started my kitchen. Well, I had my suitcase in the kitchen as I was unpacking it. Took everything to the room it needed to go to. And then I put the suitcase in my spare room. And then like all my food I put away. And while I was just kind of working in my kitchen area, I went ahead and made my creamies. I had got 2 loads of laundry. But in my brain, I'm just doing a full reset. So my house, I didn't clean my house, but I straightened my house. So my kitchen is in where things need to be. Then I did my bedroom and got the clothes all put away and the shoes and all that good stuff. And my bathroom, I went through all the things that I use in the bathroom and all that, and got all my trip type stuff put together. Hang on, I got a little something hanging on my toe. I want to pick it off. I know I'm about to eat and I'm picking on my toes. Hang on just a second. I got to get to my tweezers. Y'all know ain't right. But anyway, so today is basically just about resetting myself. This next week or 2 is going to be about just eating the foods, getting myself back on track. I'm not tracking, not weighing, not measuring. Well, I did weigh out my ground beef the other day whenever I packaged it up. I think I put them all in 180 grams. What else? So, I don't have any meal prep other than what I did with my creamies, because everything is all done. So I'm so thankful I did that. I think it was the day before we left. I don't remember. But anyway, no, I guess I did that last weekend. So that was good. So yeah, this morning I tried to sleep in, but the dogs said no, they were hungry. So then I was like, fine. I got up and fed them, and then I went to Walmart and I got a package it has 2 strip steaks in it, New York strips. So I've been putting it off. I was waiting until I was hungry, and it's about 10:50 right now. And so I cooked them both, and then I cooked them and then pan-seared them. And then I kind of did something boneheaded. First off, there's no fire, but I bought this thing that's supposed to be it says cooking oil fires. the same as like bacon grease fire or tallow fire. I assume it'd be the same. But anyway, so I brought that out just in case. But after my, hang on, we're taking a bite. I use that honey salt and umami. I may not use enough. It tastes good, but it's not very salty. This, anytime you see me sprinkling something on my food like this, I say salt, but it's just my homemade electrolytes. Just a way to get a little extra electrolytes. So, after the steak was done and the skillet was extremely hot, I thought I saw that leftover bacon grease in there. And I said, oh! Always thinking. I said, ooh, let's put in some of my dehydrated onions. Yeah, buddy, the dehydrated minced onions. Word to the wise, let your skillet cool down first. Them suckers turn black. Burn, burn, burn. And then I dumped in the leftover bacon from the trip. And it was basically, I think I had 4 packages per bacon, 4 baked slices per package. So I put in the 2 packages and I have one with this one. And then I have another New York strip for later with the other half of the bacon in it. Don't worry, I pulled about 1 piece for each child, each fur child. But yeah, so let me show you my blackened, I'll call it blackened minced onion bacon New York strip. Ooh, New York strip with blackened minced onions and bacon. Wrong side. Lord, child. You know that's gonna be. If I was eating the standard American diet, that would be say that's a heart attack in a bowl right there, all that salt. Anyway, yeah, so it's accidental. Let's see, New York strip with accidental blackened minced onion and bacon. Tastes good. Might be a little too much, but that's all right. So what am I doing right now? I don't know. Everything is put up. Everything is ready to go. Tell you what I need to do, vacuum my floors. Ask me if I want to do it. N-O is the answer. N-O. No. But I think I'm just going to sit here and chill because really all of my post-trip stuff is done. And now Terri just needs some Terri time. So she's probably just going to play some games. The dogs were exhausted last night. They were sacked out. Now, they did wake me up a little after 6. We're at 6 when my alarm went off. They made me get up. How do they make me get up? Let me define that. I was about to say, they say, but that's not the case. Sammy starts licking hard, and Baxter starts pouncing. He puts both feet on my chest or on my arm and nudging me and pouncing, and then little miss will stand in the back and bark, 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 and then start licking my face. So at that point, okay, fine, I'm up. So I fed him, and then I laid back down because I was like, you know what? You ain't the boss of me. I'm going to lay back down. Oh, yes, they are the boss of me. They come back inside from being outside. They were outside pottying and doing whatever they were doing. And I come in and curled up and snuck back in that bed. They just hopped back in the bed big boy was pouncing on me again. And little miss was just barking excited, and Sammy was licking my face. And so here I am. Up. So yeah, so that's pretty much how things are going. Things are good. Like I said, I'm just gonna eat. I'm eating what I need to eat for me to reset my body. So I had a house reset, except vacuuming and dusting, don't be judging. And then a meat with some bacon. No, that's bacon too. Meat with a little bit of minced onions in it. Okay, I'll see y'all next thing. Howdy. I had some good quality time with my PlayStation. And I've had some quality time with my pups and myself. So I'm ready to go back to work tomorrow. I checked my work email. I sent an email, and my partner director, she sent an email. Stop, relax. You're on vacation. I do that same thing to her though. So supper is literally exactly what I had last night. If I didn't, ideally I'd have a ribeye. I'd have a ribeye for lunch and supper. Oh, I did have some yogurt earlier. But they didn't have any yellow sticker ribeyes, and I'll be danged if I was going to spend full price on a ribeye. The New York strips that I got, they were not yellow sticker. But I can honestly say what I should have done was bought, you can buy those padded out burgers. I should have bought some, like not the frozen ones, but the ones that are like in the tray. I should have bought some 80-20 and made those. I don't know, but it'd been cheaper. But anyway, but this is fine. It's where I'm at. So this is still, it's the same thing as this morning because it's a New York strip with some, how did I say that? Accidentally blackened minced onion and bacon. I got seasonings on this. Let's see. Oh. The hot. Oh, my little friend. How I've missed you. I've missed you so much. I could have had one last night, but I just didn't. It was too cold and I was tired and cranky. It is chocolate toffee. I've been running it twice and leaving it a little more powdered. Because by the time I get to it, it's more melty, so it works. People ask me all the time what this is. This is just keto chowed water, frozen in a Ninja Creamy, and the machine turns into ice cream. Dude, if you don't want to go, if you don't need to go out and buy a Ninja Creamy, if you want a nice cool treat like a creamy, you just get yourself some Greek yogurt and put some kind of protein powder in that for flavor. Let me tell you, you ain't got to get a fancy creamy machine. I'm here to tell you, don't be buying stuff just because myself has it. I do that though. I'll watch somebody and I'll be like, oh, I want that too. But anyway, I'm going to eat. I love y'all. And tomorrow we're back at it at work. We'll see how it goes. Bye. But I only have 3 days this week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Bye.